Alright, welcome back guys to Homestead Hideaway. I am Rob, as you might have known if you watch our channel. Today we're going to start our solar install. We purchased a pallet of used solar panels online. They're Canadian Solar, 250 watts. They're in pretty decent shape. Great price on them. We also got the Iron Ridge railing system for them, so that's what we're going to start today. We're going to get some of this material on the roof, and we're going to find our roof rafter so we can get this hardware mounted and get everything laid out. So this is going to be a little bit of a process, but stay tuned. By the way, we are amateurs. We've never done a solar install on a house. There is no zoning here where we live, and we're not going to tie, or it's not going to be a grid tie system. So this is a DIY setup. It may not be totally up to code if you're a solar installer, but hopefully it'll work.
What he's trying to do right now is locate our rafters.
So I know that I have a wall stud right there next to the weatherhead coming down. Assumably that's where I'm going to have a rafter above it if they framed it correctly. From there I'm going to pull over 16 on center and see if I can find all the rafters and find something to tie into. And we're going to put the first run of solar pretty high on this left side so it's not shaded by the chimney. So yeah, let's see what that does.
I like it.
Dropping your nuts.
It happens.
Alright guys, so step one, we got the back rails in. So now we're going to try to get some solar panels up on the roof and get them mounted. And then the next step will be doing the front half of the roof. Looks good so far.
Originally it was difficult to find the rafters. They weren't 16 on center the way they should have been. So we had to go fishing for them. But we were able to find them.
Alright guys, we're going to call this one today. We got the back half of the house done so far. It's about 1250 watts. We're running these in series. We're going to put another string up in the front. This will get us going. We might end up putting more in the back, more in the front, just keep building onto the system. But yeah, we were able to find our rafters. That was the hardest part. Got the rails mounted.
And it's getting a little warm up here.
It's getting a little warm up here. So we still got to tie in all the wiring and neaten it up and then get it down to our utility room, but it's a process, so stay tuned.
Step one, check.
All right guys, join us on the rest of this solar install journey. Be sure to subscribe, like the video, share the video, do all that stuff, and we'll see you guys on the next one.
Because we're definitely not done.
Nope.